good. Tastes so good.
Hi guys, welcome to Big Bear Mountain, California. I'm bringing you Ayeeng's Kitchen Camping Edition. Okay, today we're gonna be making Korean corn dogs. I'll be showing you how to make this popular Korean street food. I'm sure everybody's going to enjoy this one. So let's start.
So we're going to prepare the dough first. We're going to be using 160 ml of warm water, which is approximately a little over half of a cup. So we're gonna pour it on a pan, and I'm just using whatever we have here in the campsite. And we're adding 1 teaspoon of dry yeast. So just mix it well. You know what? I tried another version and I didn't like it because the dough was so thin, and I like it like thicker, which is what we're gonna be doing right now. And I am adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. And we're also adding 1 teaspoon of salt. So we're just gonna mix it. Just keep on mixing. So, and then we're gonna be adding the bread flour. I use like 1 cup of bread flour. After mixing it well, we're done. So we'll just have to cover it with a wet towel and let it rise until it doubles its size. Because we're up in the mountains and it's really cold here, I'm putting it near the fire pit, so it's a little bit warmer so the dough can rise. While waiting, I'm going to be cutting up the hot dog and the cheese and putting it on a stick. I'm using Monterey Jack because I wasn't able to get a mozzarella, which is what everybody is using. But Monterey Jack melts really good, so that's fine. So the hot dog, I just cut it in half. And the cheese, I'm cutting it the same size as the hot dog. So I'm cutting it lengthwise and just cutting it in half. I'm using chopsticks instead of barbecue sticks because chopsticks are more sturdier and it won't easily break. It's easier to put it through the cheese and the hot dog. I'm putting the cheese first and then the hot dog. I mean, you could do either way or any way you want. You could do just the cheese or you could do hot dog only. It's really up to you. I made 3 recipes today because I have several kids that I need to feed, and they all have been waiting patiently for this corn dog. So here they are. We're ready to roll these babies in the dough. So it took our dough 50 minutes to double its size. So it really depends on your location, the temperature. Just make sure you keep an eye on the dough. This dough looks a lot because I made 3 recipes. Because I have a lot of corn dogs to make today. I just used paper towel because I didn't have anything. But it worked, so that's good. So now we're gonna be rolling the cheese and the hot dog on the dough. Make sure it is covered entirely so the cheese doesn't melt and ooze out while frying it. I am using the Kikkoman brand for the breadcrumbs. You just need to roll the dough or roll the stick on the crumbs and make sure that it is evenly coated. So we're now ready to start frying this. put the stick in the pan when the oil reaches 170 degrees. If you have an oil thermometer, the better. By the way, I'm using canola oil.
Oops, the oil is too hot. Now it's burnt. We're gonna make a new one.
Well, looks like the second attempt is a success. We'll flip this corn dog from time to time until it turns golden brown. Once cooked, you can put it on a cooling rack or on a paper towel to drain the excess oil. The way to eat this is to sprinkle it with sugar and drizzle it with ketchup and mustard. I know you'll say it's weird, but putting sugar makes the difference. Try making this at home and I promise you that you will love it, especially the kids. Let me know on the comment section below how your corn dog came out. Do you like it with ketchup and mustard or just plain sugar?
It's so good. Kids here. Looks like it's successful. You guys like it? It looks like it's successful. So guys, do you like it?
Yeah!
So this is Ayeeng's Kitchen.
Camping edition!
If you like my video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook at Ayeeng's Kitchen. Thank you for watching. Woohoo!